Welcome to Superman Boxing Wolf. I'm Fang. How are y'all doing today? Today, I got something really special to show you all. You see, my channel is called Superman Boxing Wolf. I show a lot of unboxings and anime and stuff, but I never show anything about wolves. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit of piece of myself, my wolf collection. Let's get started. Very handsome guy. Isn't he adorable? And then we got this guy. Ooh, you should put him in the handsomest wolf monthly. Now this one would melt your heart away. Oh! Look, this wolf's having fun. Adorable. And then, last portrait I got is this wolf. Very nice. Next I got a wolf calendar. They should put me on the calendar next month. Am I right? Then I've got another calendar. Pretty cool, huh? And then, okay, the next piece is going to be a little emotional, but, alright. Are you guys ready? This was my original wolf mask, so you can consider him the original Fang. Yeah, he's seen better days. So, yeah, I keep him as a reminder to keep this mask in, you know, intact. So, sorry I had to break the fourth wall, but, you know. Next, we got a wolf hat. I don't know why I bought this. I guess I bought it because I had a wolf on it. Yeah. Next, we got a wolf crystal ball. I got this on my birthday last year. Very nice. I wonder what my future might hold. Next, I got myself wolf pajamas. I'll probably wear them to bed tonight. Next, we got a wolf plushie. Ooh. Oh, that's a good puppy. Who's a good puppy? And then, oh, isn't that cute? Yes. That's right, you're my little wolf. Then we have a, very cool, huh? A little wolf plate, but you can't eat on it. It's more for display. Got a little figurine with an Indian and a wolf. Little fun fact, wolves or Indians were actually friends at the time. We got another figurine. Missing the ear, but I'll find it at some point. Very nice. Look at this wolf in all his glory. It's missing the tail, so Next I got part of a lamp chandelier type thing. So it has a red wolf on it. Picture of a wolf here. Alright. Got another wolf plate. Very cool. And look, the moon. Ow! And a little tin with a wolf on it. That's a good wolf. Then we got another plushie. Yes, good puppy. Next, got a wolf water bottle, but it has a hole in it, but I still keep it. This is a rare wolf on here, a red wolf, very rare. Next is one of my favorite movies of all time, Balto. He's half wolf and half dog. And this movie was actually based on a true story. Long story short, Balto helps pull the sled for the medicine, and they build a statue in Antarctica, I think. I hope I can visit that statue so I can see the legend for myself. Alright, moving on. Next, we got a wolf puppet. Hey, wolf, how are you doing today? Give me 1 second. Hey, wolf, how are you doing today? I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Fang. How are you today? Oh, I'm doing good. Say, would you mind subscribing to Fang's channel? And give him a like while you're at it? Thanks, wolf. Yeah. Next, next is this very special piece. Hey, look, one big happy family. We got the mom, the dad, the daughter, and the son. And look, you give me a light of candle on here. Very nice. Okay. Now for some special stuff in my collection. All right, I'll show you some really special wolf stuff at the end. But here I got a Funko Pop from Game of Thrones. We have Ghost here. Just look at his red eyes. I like him because he's a white wolf. They're my favorite wolves of the bunch. I still have to get this wolf right here, Grey Wind. Oh man, he's so rare, but I'll get him at some point. Next. Alright. Next we got, this counts as a wolf because you can play as a wolf in this game. Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. You can play as Link and Wolf Link. Oh, I forgot to take him out of the collection. Hang on 1 second. There he is. I gotta include him into the video too. Here we have Wolf Link and Midna. I was so happy they made him into Amiibo. I was so happy. Yeah, so here he is. Alright. Now for the most special part of my entire collection. My most favorite franchise of all video games. Okami. You play as a wolf called Amaterasu, who's a sun goddess. And she has a black paintbrush at the end of her tip, and, you know, color the sun and make swords appear, make the wind. And, here's the sequel, Okami Den, where you play as Amaterasu's son, who has the exact same powers, but as a puppy. And here I have an Amaterasu keychain. There we go. last but not least is Cheaper Zarasu from Okami Den. I got this at Yushicon 2 years ago. Very nice. See, here's the black paintbrush I was telling you about. Ow! And last but not least is, you see right here, you can see a curtain right here. And that's it. Didn't have time to show you everything, but there will be a part 2. So stick around for that. Like and subscribe if you like this channel. Until then, have a good night.